fresh and perky. The Nike Air Max 1 Light Madder Root features spring-inspired hues that are sure to catch the eye. An airy beige mesh base serves as the canvas for the vibrant pink suede mudguard. Baby blue midfoot leather panels and peaking lush green swooshes to revel in the spotlight. The sunny aesthetic continues in the details, which include the hiking boots-inspired three-toned pink laces, brown and green tongue tags, and a fun grid-patterned footbed. In keeping with tradition, this Nike Air Max 1 shows off an exposed air unit cushioning in its chunky midsole. Shop for Nike Air Max 1 Light Madder Root on our Store Suppliers app. Be sure to download it to stay on top of the newest drops from Nike. Release date: June 15, 2022. Price: £132.95. Brand: Nike. Model: Air Max 1. Style code: DV3196-800.